What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're at the Touchwood car wash, so I'm going to take a look at tour what's inside the wash. So here we go. Alright, inside the car wash, you will see there's razor rods 4000, and then have instructions with some soap remaining, and we see some tracks. See some lights, and then you see some 3 dryers that can move after the wash. So we're going to see from the window. Okay, inside you will see some soap, turbophone, high pressure rinse, and some soap remaining on the ground. And of course, you can see all the instructions what to do for all the cars. So it's in here. All right. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed that, and that will be it.